To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
In this episode, we tell you how satellites provide a bird's eye view of a stranded ship in the Suez Canal and the magnitude of the mess it has caused. And later, we talk about a helicopter named Ingenuity. It is expected to take off on Mars in the next few days. If it succeeds, it will script history by providing a bird's eye view of another world. Hello and namaskar, I am Bhagyashree and you're watching Sci-Tech. On March 23, 2021, a cargo ship named Ever Given ran aground in the Suez Canal, blocking traffic in the region, thereby causing a delay in the movement of goods. Satellites from space have captured the incident and its aftermath. Watch our video for more.
Standing 1,300 foot long and about 193 feet wide and weighing 200,000 tons, Ever Given, which is operated by Evergreen Marine, was stranded sideways across the Suez Canal on March 23rd. As you might know, the Suez Canal is one of the busiest trade routes in the world. It connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean, saving time for ships that were earlier sailing around the Horn of Africa. The canal, which is 120 miles long, handles about 10% of all global trade. On average, about 52 ships pass through in a day, according to the Suez Canal Authority. We still don't know what caused the ship to steer sideways, getting stranded in the process. But it is believed that high wind were responsible. Still, we cannot rule out human error yet. On 28 March, however, authorities managed to get the vessel to float again after digging about 27,000 cubic meters of sand. When the rescue efforts to free the ship were on, satellites observing the Earth from space have captured images of the mess. Airbus Space, an aerospace company, provided a high-resolution image of the stranded Ever Given vessel. Watch it here. It also captured images of the traffic jam. European Space Agency's Copernicus Sentinel-1 satellite also posted images of the traffic in the Gulf of Suez. They took to Twitter to post before and after pictures. You can see the traffic and Ever Given on the after image. Planet Labs, an American Earth imaging company, also shared images of the debacle and the efforts to free the vessel. Earth observation satellites have come in handy in times of disasters such as earthquakes or flood events. You might recall, satellites captured images of the 2021 Chamoli flash floods, even helping researchers unearth the possible reasons behind the disaster.
After NASA successfully landed its rover Perseverance in February this year, it is time for a helicopter named Ingenuity to shine. If it succeeds, it will become the first flight to do so on a different planet. We all have our fingers crossed. Find out more about Ingenuity in our video.
NASA's Perseverance landed on Mars with a mission to look for clues of past life on the red planet. And there is more to look forward to from the mission. Strapped onto the belly of Perseverance is Ingenuity, a 1.8 kilogram helicopter. NASA scientists will remotely pilot it. Aptly named, Ingenuity is a technology demonstration that aims to be the first powered flight on another world and, if successful, could further expand our horizons and broaden the scope of what is possible with Mars exploration. Lori Clays, Director of Planetary Science Division at NASA headquarters, said in a statement. Recently, the rover dropped Ingenuity to an airfield. In a tweet, NASA JPL wrote, "Mars helicopter touchdown confirmed." Its 293 million mile journey aboard NASA Persevere ended with the final drop of 4 inches from the rover's belly to the surface of Mars today. Next milestone, survived the night. And the space agency confirmed that Ingenuity survived the night on April 5, 2021. Here, it will make its first flight attempt in the next few days. Now, let's look at what makes Ingenuity special. According to NASA, the helicopter's blades spin many times faster than the helicopters that fly on Earth. It is made from carbon fiber, arranged into 2 rotors that rotate in opposite directions at around 2,400 revolutions per minute, or RPM. It is also armed with solar cells and batteries. Flying on Mars is challenging. This is because the Martian atmosphere is just 1% as dense as Earth's at the surface. Besides, the red planet's surface only receives about half the amount of solar energy that reaches Earth during its daytime. During the night, temperatures can plummet to as low as -90 degrees Celsius, damaging electrical components. To survive on Mars, the helicopter must gather enough solar energy to power its internal heaters and prevent its instruments from freezing. If Ingenuity survives and succeeds in taking flight on the red planet, it could open up opportunities to use advanced robotic flying vehicles in future robotic and human missions to Mars. Helicopters will also have access to terrains that are inaccessible to rovers. The Ingenuity team has done everything to test the helicopter on Earth, and we are looking forward to flying our experiment in the real environment at Mars, said Mimi Ang, Ingenuity's project manager at JPL.
That's all for this episode of Sci-Tech. You can send us your valuable feedback on the email ID flashing on your screens. Also download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in for more such videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media handles as well. Before signing off, here is Fact of the Day for you.
Sol is a solar day on Mars. The average Martian solar day is 24 hours, 39 minutes and 35 seconds long. A day on Mars is roughly about 40 minutes longer than on Earth.